Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to everyone. So my name is Muhammad Amirul bin Jamaluddin and I'm from BMA 4843. So today I would like to show you how to do tutorial 1, which is ribbon interface. So right now we will click new project and our project name will be ribbon interface. Okay, then we will import our product in tutorial and our product name is Speedo. So we will click next. And make sure the units in meter, so we click next. While waiting for the import wizard to be processed, we will click next. Okay, then we will click finish. Okay, the first task for this tutorial is the orientation of the product. So we will click find the bottom view. So then we will click geometry, click rotate, and click on the product so the product turns to pink, and click use part center, and we will rotate the product into 180 degree. So after we have oriented the product, we will click apply. Okay. So this thing. Then the second task is select the injection part, where we will rotate our product into top view and make sure the product, the curve is the view of the curve is in front of us. So we will go to home, click injection location, and we will inject in this part. So after we have that, right click and select finish set injection location. After we have clicked select the injection location, so we will go to define the parting line. So here we will go to home and click single cavity. Then we will go to geometry. We will click set parting line. So make sure the display grid and snap to grid is selected. So and we will click bottom, click apply and close. Okay, then our third task is define the mold size. So we will go to geometry tab and go to mold size. So we must clear the symmetry. So our coordinate will be editable. So negative x is 50, negative y is 50 also. Our plus x is 50 and our positive y is 30. So we will click apply. Next, we go to the zoom window, right click and click fit to window. After that, we will click front view and make sure this front view is facing us. And in A plate, we will put 95, and for the B plate, we will put 30. And then click apply and we close. Okay, next we will click screw. So we'll go to the geometry tab and then go to the properties panel and click default. And we will click runner properties. So the runner type should be curved and the runner shape is circular tapered. And our start diameter is 3 and our end diameter is 5. Okay, and then we will click OK. So second, we go to default and click grid size and make sure the grid size is 10 mm, and the position is center of the part. Then we will click OK. So we will go to geometry. In the fit system, we will click sprue to open the sprue dialog. Ensure the grid setting, display grid and snap to grid is selected, and we will click the position, and that position must be aligned with the injection part, and then we will click OK. After we have finished creating the screw, then we will go to the second is create the runner. So we go to geometry tab and go to the properties panel, click default and click runner properties. So the runner type should be cool and the runner shape must be circular. So the diameter is 4, and then we will click OK. Click OK. So next we go to the default, click the grid size, and the grid size of the runner should be 5 mm, and this thing the grid will not appear yet. So we go to the view, go to object visibility and unclick the bounding box. So we go to geometry then and click the runner to open the runner dialog, and then we will rotate until we can see the okay. Then after we see the injection part and this screw, so we'll go to the selection. Under selection we will click select, and we will click at the base of the screw and draw a pointer to this part. So you can see it shows the screw. You can see that the screw is the shows point at the injection part. After that we will click right click and select finish create runner. So then after that we will create the gate. So we go to geometry and click the gate. Before we go to the default and click gate properties and make sure the gate type is cool and the gate shape is in circular tapered. So we enter the start diameter is 4 and the end diameter is 2. Okay, and click the rotation by horizontal by length, and then click OK. Then we go to the view tab, click object visibility and unclick the injection cone. Then after we have unclicked all the injection cone, we go to the geometry and then click gate to open the gate dialog and select the injection location 1. So we go to the define by coordinate, click define by coordinate and select the thin yellow. So you can see that the gate is create to the product, and then right click after you follow, then right click this part and click finish create gate. So after we have created all the runner, gates and screw, so we go to analysis. Right now we go to home and then click under molding process setup, we will click analysis wizard. So we will unclick the field and we will click field plus pack, and then you can see for the advanced in the process setting, you can setting all your what you want, and then we will click finish. And in the study task, you can see that all the step is completed. Then click the start analysis to analyze. Okay. After analyze, we show that analysis is complete, so we'll click OK. And then in the right side, you can see that this is summary of your product. So we will click fill time. And then we click to result and advisor. Click advisor. So then we go to result and click examine. Here you can select anything you want, and you can play your, so you can see that how the fill time and the flow of your product. Then here you can also click wet line. See, you can see where is the wet line, and this is the air drag that the part the air drag can occur. And that's all for me. Thank you for watching.